Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And today, I ran across some motherboards. And normally, I'm not one to like report on new motherboards, but this one or these motherboards had a little feature that I hope it actually becomes standard on most motherboards because the new graphics cards are getting so heavy that it's putting so much strain on the PCI Express slots. So these new motherboards from ASRock come with a PCI Express like weight bracket or retention bracket on the back side, kind of like a brace. And it's actually a genius idea, so that way people don't have to put like a little stilt or anything on like their case or whatever. You know what I'm talking about. You've seen where the people will put like a stick or a little stilt or a little extension like going down to like the where the basement is, sometimes going up to their graphics card to like keep their graphics card propped up level. This is actually a lot, in my opinion, more slick. It's at the back side of the motherboard, holds up like the hard to see part of the graphics card. Hold on, let me. Sorry, I'm still on my laptop, so I yeah, I haven't got used to it quite yet. There we go. Okay, so the X570S motherboard comes with a built-in GPU holder. The perfect motherboard for gamers. And then I was looking at it, I'm like, I don't know. It doesn't really seem like it would do much. But then down here it shows how it actually works. So you'd have your graphics card, and then this little bracket slides up and down to apply pressure or just enough to keep it level. So then it's all the way at the back of your case, out of sight, out of mind, essentially, and you just don't have that ugly rod hanging down. So I thought that was really cool, and I think this should probably become standard. These are on the ASRock Riptide series motherboards, the X570 and B550 coming out. So I think yeah, that's pretty cool. And then if you don't want it, you can actually just unbolt it. Maybe it's something they're gonna sell as like an add-on or something, or maybe everybody's just gonna copy it and it's just gonna be a normal thing. So, yeah, pretty interesting. In other news, I was checking. I did fire up a majority of my farm. I have right at about 1 gigahash, but I only turned on about 800 megahash just because the last little bit is like laptops and my desktop computer, stuff that I really at the moment don't have room for because they were in my office, but as you know, I'm not in my office anymore. So I just don't really have a spot for them. So we have 800 megahash online, and 800 megahash is zero point zero 0.02 Ethereum per day, and that comes out to $55 US per day if you're selling on a daily basis. So for people that did want to know, there you go. And I guess let's go over to. Sorry about that. I just bumped the microphone. Let's go over to Coin Market Cap and do a an update for people that are just listening and want to know. So as of right now, 8:40 a.m. on Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021, Bitcoin is at 37,362 or $326. Ethereum's at 2,703. Both of those are up. Bitcoin's up 2.7% in the last 24 hours, and Ethereum's up 4.6% in the last 24 hours. Moving down, Dogecoin is up 35% in the last 24 hours to 43 cents. So big moves by Dogecoin. And going further down the list, Litecoin is at $183, up 2% in the last 24 hours. So, are we seeing some good news here? Maybe not. Ethereum Classic 67.99, up 1.2% in the last 24. Monero 277 and 49 cents, up 8% in the last 24 hours. So, there's some coins doing some good things this morning. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Yeah. So I'm currently limited to only one monitor. I guess little garage update for people that don't know. I'm building a detached garage in my backyard. I'm going to be moving my entire office into that. They called me today. They said they should be out and about. Originally, the last week they said Tuesday, Wednesday this week, and well, it's Wednesday, and they're like, yeah, we're coming. I think maybe like today, tomorrow. My cat's freaking out over there. Um, yeah, they're not coming today. I already knew it. I could tell on the phone. They said they had one other job right down the road, and they were trying to finish that one up. And I was the next logical one. I had like a hair in my mouth. Gosh, animal owners, yeah, or pet owners, you know what I'm talking about. It's just a random hair just gets in your mouth. Um, but yeah, so hopefully I'm maybe by the end of this week, early next week. I'm hoping like please, 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 please. So once that's up, I'm gonna be starting to carry everything out there and then try to organize it. And I definitely want to set it up more professional and more long term, just more organized. So look out for that. Those videos should be awesome because I always like the hands on, the setup style videos. But other than that, guys, have a good one. Take it easy. We'll see you on the next one. Adios. Boom.